Hi everyone. I'm going to in this video I'm going to implement the split background color design that I figured out in a previous video for this help screen in my Mastodon client. I'm not entirely sure what to put in as help categories just yet, but as long as I get the basic structure that looks better than what I've got here, I'll be happy. So what I'm going to be doing in the end, I'm basically going to be copying some code from that project into this one. Okay, so I'm going to get to it. Let me close all these other things that I'm not dealing with at the moment. And I'm going to find my help screen. So it's, really basic here right now. So I'm going to copy in, first of all, I'm going to remove this app bar. I'm going to set my scaffold color to the theme's primary color. With my current settings, it will be indigo, which also happens to be the default color, primary color of this application. But users can change it if they want to. So I'm setting the primary color, and I'm going to copy in this column. Actually, I'm going to copy in this safe area right here. Oh, I already have a safe area. Look at that. Okay, now it's complaining that the header and body widgets are missing, because they are. So I'm going to copy those files. I hope I can just copy them right out of the other project. I'm going to create a widgets directory in here, and I'm going to paste. Copy specified files. Add to Git. Sweet. Okay. So, oh, look at that. Yeah, put in my header. I'm going to import those widgets. And if I hot reload, we should see an exact replica of the design. Yeah, the design that I achieved in the previous, in that other video. I am going to adjust some of this, obviously, because some of this stuff is not relevant for this particular application. What I will do, I'm going to build in some functionality that is missing from this design, because this design was just a dummy. So on pressed from the back button, I will pop the context so that we can get back to the previous screen. Nice. And I'm just, for the heck of it, going to toggle the light theme. I apologize for your eyes. So let's just go in there and see. Okay, sweet. That works out well. I'll turn back on dark mode so we can all protect our eyes. And get back to the help screen. Okay, so that's functional. I'm not entirely sure about this text. How can we help you? But I can easily change that at a later date. What I will change over here in the body is I will not have this. I'm going to rip out everything pretty much that's here. I've got a column. I've got this list tile. Yeah, I'm going to rip out everything in this column, because what would end up happening is, I think I might actually scratch that. I'm getting ahead of myself. Yeah. Oh, okay. What? I got rid of too much, I guess. There's that material. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this stuff, then there we go. So it seems like, yeah. The column has to have some kind of a child in order to build that body area. That should do it for this screen for the moment. I'm not sure what I want to do with this really. What I need to do really is compile information. The thing that's bothering me a little bit here is because I also have an about screen, which is empty at the moment. And I will put in a similar kind of style to that screen. But the thing that's bothering me is if I have an about screen, then I don't need a help screen. So then I can just put information about the Mastodon platform in that screen, and I don't have to have this one at all. That would make my drawer smaller. It would just about look like this. I suppose that's not so bad. I don't need to have a bigger drawer just for the sake of it, or bigger bottom sheet. So yeah, you know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scratch this. No, what I'm going to do is move this in here. Yeah, refactor. I'm going to completely, I'm just going to copy this safe area. I'm going to delete this entire folder. And in the about screen, I'm going to replace, get rid of the app bar. Paste this in here and import these widgets, and then in the bottom sheet rip out this text, rip out this tile and remove that old screen from the library, and I should be good to go. Yeah. Okay. No. What? Oh, I didn't set the scaffold color. Context.primary color. Hey, there we go. So I am going to update some information, some stuff here. I'm going to change the text to about Mastodon. Oops. Should I put a subtitle under there that says "and this app"? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna just have the full app name. The reason why I call this app Jiminy is since Mastodon is an open source platform that has no ads, no user tracking. Everything is out in the open and aims to be better than what standard social media is. And when I was thinking of names, I was trying to think of names that were representative of that idea, and I came upon Jiminy because Jiminy Cricket from Pinocchio, who's the conscience, who's about doing the right thing. I haven't seen that movie since I was a kid. Some stuff in that movie freaked me the hell out. But the concept of Jiminy Cricket was something that always stayed with me. So I guess I can modify the body, and I'm going to end up having to put like some kind of paragraph of text in here. So as an experiment, I'm going to put a wrap. Give it some children. I'll give it a text. This is going to be pretty verbose. So Jiminy for Mastodon is a client, is an open source client application for the Mastodon social platform. Can I like just split the line on that? No. Oh, I can. Let's see. All right. I can split the line. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to split it along. First of all, let's get a commas in here so Dart format won't yell at me. Bring this down. Is an open source clause. Okay, this is going to need some padding. I think 16 would be appropriate. It's an open source client application for the Mastodon social network platform. This application was built with all the core values that the Mastodon platform believes in, such as complete, and then I guess I can like put some kind of list, and I can get rid of this now. Get a style in here. Let's get a font size of 18. I don't think I should make this bold. 18? It's a little big. I have to think about this. Bring that back down to 16. Do 17. That's a little better. Yeah, a little better. I don't know if there's like a bulleted list that you can do with Flutter. I'm sure there is. I just don't know of it. No. Can you do a numbered list? No. Let's do a quick Google. Unordered lists in Flutter. Stack Overflow question. Looks like, okay, so this guy's using I guess I could technically just use list tiles. Okay. List tile. Blah. With a leading of... Did he use an icon there? What did he do? Container. Okay. The leading is the container that has a... What is the box decoration of... Oh, first of all, gotta give it height. Come on. Height of 20, a width of 20, and then it's box decoration. Yeah. What? It's just decoration, right? Yeah. Give it a box decoration with a color. I'll give it a shape as box shape dot circle. I'm hoping that the color will be automatic with the brightness of the theme. No, not trailing. Title. And that's going to be a text of just arbitrarily no no user tracking. I guess I do have to give it a color. So I'll give it a color. I guess this would be an appropriate point to do a ternary. So if the theme.ofContext.brightness equals brightness.light, then do colors.black, or else, nope, no comma, or do colors.white. Oh man, not sure that I like that. Oh. Let me take a look in the inspector here. All right, the padding on the bottom. Whatever. I'm gonna leave it here. That's really at the end of the instructional content that could be in this video. So yeah, that's that. That's putting in the split background color thing. Are there any other screens I need to do that for? No, because I got rid of the help screen. I could do it on the settings screen to spice things up a little bit. You know what? How about this? If you think I should do it on the settings screen, leave me a comment and on the video, and tell me if you think that that's a better design for this screen. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.